Hi there everyone, my name is Warren and I am the product genius here at South Shore Mini. Today I wanted to give you a tutorial on something that is seemingly basic, but something that you will be using every single day, and that is your mini key fob. I'd like to start with the basics, just go through the functions of the key fob, as well as some of the unlocking functions on the car and found within the Mini's settings menu. So to begin, you of course have your mini key fob here. On this side, we find the unlock button at the very top. Below that is the Mini logo, and that is going to be our lock button. The third button down has a symbol of the trunk, and that is going to either unlock the trunk, or if your vehicle is equipped with a power tailgate, it is going to unlock and open the trunk for you. Finally, the button all the way at the bottom with the red speaker icon is going to sound the alarm if your vehicle is equipped with an alarm system. If it's not, that bottom button simply will not exist on your key fob. Using the key fob to demonstrate, I will unlock the car. A single press may unlock just the driver's door or all of the doors, depending on how you have that set within your Mini settings menu. Now pressing the Mini logo will lock the car. Pressing the trunk release is going to open, in this case, the power tailgate for us. And pressing the alarm button at the bottom and holding will activate the car's alarm. A quick press of the button won't do anything, and that's just to avoid inadvertent activation of the alarm system. Pressing the unlock button silences the alarm. One final trick for you guys would be when locking the vehicle, if your vehicle is equipped with the power folding side view mirrors, you can press the lock button once to lock the car, press it a second time and hold, and the side view mirrors will fold in for you. When you do go to then unlock the car unlocks and mirrors fold back out and you're ready to go. Now, many Minis are equipped with comfort access, which is going to be a keyless entry system, which allows us to keep the key fob in our pocket or in our purse. We're simply able to walk up to the car, and on the door handle, you'll see that there's this little black button. All we have to do, the car is currently locked, press the black button and the car will unlock for us. We can get in, and then when we're all set, we simply press the black button again, and the car is once again locked, and we are good to go. Now, there is an additional feature, a safety feature, if you will, with the key fob, and that is that there is a backup metal key actually inside of your key fob. You press this little silver button on the side and you're able to remove a proper metal key from inside of your key fob. Now, this metal key is for in case of emergency. If the battery were to die in your key fob, you would still be able to unlock and get in and even start the car. And I'll show you how you would do that. You would remove the metal key like I have just done from the key fob. You would come to the driver's door handle, where you will see that there is this little cutout here on the handle. Behind that is actually going to be a keyhole for our metal key. But to remove this plastic cover, we are going to insert the metal key into this little rectangular hole at the bottom, give it a little wiggle, and that is going to release the clips on this plastic cover. It will allow us to pop it off just like so. Remove the metal key. Now you can see that there is a keyhole inside the handle, and the key goes in and we can turn to unlock the car. Now that we are inside our Mini, we're going to take our key fob that does have a dead battery, and we're going to hold it next to the right side of the steering column. You can see that there is a circular symbol, actually with a key here. That is right where you're going to hold your key fob. Simultaneously, as you hold this on the steering column, you are going to press the red start stop button like you normally would, and your Mini will start. Now, as I had said when I began to explain the metal key in the key fob, it's really a backup plan because your Mini is going to let you know when the battery in your key fob is running low. So you will definitely have the opportunity to get that replaced before it dies and you were to be locked out of the car and having to use the metal key. So listen to your reminders from your Mini and you will be okay. Now we are able to make some adjustments to our door locks within our Mini settings menu. So from our main menu, we will scroll and select My Mini, which is going to bring us to all of our settings. We will then select Vehicle Settings, followed by Doors and Key. In the menu here, we have a variety of options. Starting at the top, we are able to select what the unlock button on the key fob does. Currently, pressing it once is going to simply unlock the driver's door, as indicated here. But we could change that and have it unlock all of the doors. As it's set currently, pressing it once unlocks the driver's door. Pressing it a second time will unlock the rest of the car. We have the ability to configure what the trunk button does on the key fob. We've got a variety of options for that as well. We can make adjustments to the tailgate if you have the optional power tailgate. We can choose how high it opens. So depending on how tall you are, you may want to reduce the height so you're able to reach it even when it's in the open position. And you're able to enable or disable the kick to open and close functions. And then at the bottom, you see a variety of other door lock settings that you can choose to enable or disable. Thank you all for joining me today for another tutorial video. I hope it's been a useful video explaining the key fob as well as many of the door lock settings found in your Mini. Stay tuned for our next video and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with all of the latest content. Take care, everyone.